Hi, I'm Miss Jenny with Miss Jenny's Cleaning, and I'm working today. I'm in my customer's house, and this customer, she's an awesome customer. She's regular. I never have any trouble with her, but I don't see her very often, and communicating with your customers is paramount to make sure that they're happy with everything. And for me, sometimes I need to give them information back, things that I find. So sorry about the shaky camera. I'm just holding it. Like I said, I'm working. But I wanted to show you what this customer does so that I know what she needs me to focus on. So if you just give me a minute, I'm going to turn the camera around and I'm going to show you this little book that she has. So this is a little book that my customer has, and she writes me notes in here. And sometimes I write back. There was some work, a big job we were doing. I asked her to make sure that the firearms were put away because I had extra people in the house. But she writes the notes in here to me, things that she wants me to focus on. And then I can write back to her, if I have messages. So this was a referral that she sent to me, and I just said thank you for referring this family to me. They were very nice. So one of the things that I wanted to point out about this particular communication, and really with a lot of communication from different customers, is sometimes when you ask a customer, what do you want me to do, or how are things, and those kind of questions that we should be asking, they may say the same thing over and over and over again. And this particular customer, she has dogs, so she says to me almost every single week to make sure that I vacuum the dog beds and what to do about that. And it's not that I'm not doing my job properly, because I'm sure by now she would have addressed it a lot more firmly. It's just that that's her clue to me that this is very important to her. So it's something that I can't skip it or miss it, or slack on that if I'm running behind 1 week or something. But I just wanted to point that out, that when a customer says something like that, it doesn't necessarily mean that they're complaining. It just means that that's a clue to you that that's important. Sometimes she'll put something in there that is unusual or out of the ordinary, and that's good too, because if she's got company coming or a party planned or something like that, there may be a part of the house that she's going to be using, or things like that. I mean, people's needs change from week to week, so communication is definitely key. And you really shouldn't take everything personally. The customer doesn't necessarily mean it that you're not doing well. They would say, probably, I'm not happy about. Most people would. I mean, some people might be afraid of hurting your feelings, but most people are going to tell you that they're not happy about something. But if they keep saying the same thing over and over again, that's a clue. You need to listen to that. That means it's important to them. So I just wanted to drop that little tip. It's a good tip, and she thought of it. I have other customers that might leave me notes. I always try to make sure that I somehow touch base with them and ask them if everything's okay. Is there anything that they need me to focus on? Those kind of things, just to make sure that I'm meeting their needs. So again, I'm Miss Jenny. If you like this video, of course, give me a thumbs up. If you want to hear more, don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comment section below. Thank you. Bye-bye.